In this video I'm going to show you how to edit text on any website using Inspect Element. First open your browser like Google Chrome and go to the website you want to edit. Now right-click anywhere on the page. From the menu click on Inspect. This will open the Developer Tools panel. Now click on the arrow icon at the top left of the Inspect window. Use it to select the text you want to change on the page. Once selected, you'll see the code highlighted. Click on the drop-down arrow to expand it. Now find the text inside the code. Double-click on the text and edit it. You'll see the changes appear instantly on the website. Once done, click anywhere outside to apply the changes. Remember, this change is only temporary and only visible to you. Refreshing the page will restore the original text. And that's it. That's how you edit website text using Inspect Element. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips.